Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now we are coming off Birchley Hill heading towards Santa Cruz. Today we're going to talk about the new alignment for Highway 2000 that's going to go from Williamsfield in Manchester to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. Now this new alignment is going to have the highway going to the left of where we are, because the highway is going to go up from Williamsfield. It's going to go bypass Mandeville. There will be an exit for Mandeville, and then it goes more towards the coast, going through Birchley Hill. It's not going to go over the hill, it's probably going to go through it, because that's the new way that they're building highways now. But it's going to be between Birchley Hill and the coast. And then it's going to go up into Junction and come down through Treasure Beach into Hodges, which is basically the same as Black River. Hodges is just as you're driving out of Black River, you pass the hospital, and that's where Hodges is. So when the highway goes from Treasure Beach now back down to Black River, it's going to come down Treasure Beach by the coast, because that's where you have most of the hotels and the tourist part, which will be incorporated, which is one of the reasons to help tourism for the highway. And then it's going to come down to Black River. There will be an exit for Black River, and it will probably go, when it gets to the town, it has to go to the right of Black River. So it won't go between the town of Black River and the coast. It will go on the other side of Black River and go into Hodges, because Black River is on the coast, so there is just no space between the coast and Black River. But it will come down from, well, nothing is finalized, but this is the alignment based on the information they have given. It will come down from Treasure Beach going towards Black River. So that is the latest on the alignment. Now they said they're going to have a bypass from Mandeville, meaning the highway will not go through the town of Mandeville. It will have an exit basically for Mandeville, and based on what they have said, you should have an exit for Junction and Black River. And can't imagine a highway going all the way up there and you don't have an exit for Treasure Beach. But as more information becomes available, we will let you know. So they've actually started this phase of the project, not the construction, but the planning, the alignment. That's what they're working on now. It takes about 5 years to build. It's going to take about 5 years to build a highway. The Prime Minister said he wants to do it in 4, but this is Jamaica, and even though it's China Harbour Engineering Company, nothing finishes on time. I can give you 2 things that always happen in Jamaica on road projects. One, it's delayed. If they say March 2023, all December 2023 the road don't finish. We've seen that many times with the highways that have been built. No problem, as long as the road is built. I really don't know why they come with these timelines, unrealistic sometimes. Like the Southern Coastal Highway. In March 2023, they said it would finish, that section would finish in April 2023. When clearly, if somebody drove on the road, you would clearly see it cannot finish in that time period. But they always use this word, practical completion. I have no idea what that means, but there must be some significance to them saying practical completion. If anybody knows, leave a comment in the section below. But nonetheless, the average time is 5 years to build a road from Williamsfield to Hodges. Now, it's very important, these exits. Very important. It's Mandeville must get an exit. That's a given. Junction, that's a given, and Black River, that's a given. They have said in the releases that they're building bypasses for these areas. But that's just saying the highway will be going Not through the towns, but on the outskirts of the towns. These highways don't go through the town. The toll roads don't go through the towns. They go on the outskirts with an exit. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. Now, the largest town in St. Elizabeth is Santa Cruz. And this highway is not going anywhere near Santa Cruz. Now that is something that we seriously need to consider. Because there has to be a way, whether you build a road, like you have the Melrose Hill bypass, which is free, it's not part of the toll road, but you have to build a road, basically an exit from the highway to Santa Cruz, or it's going to lead to serious problems, because you cannot isolate Santa Cruz from the highway. And the path that the highway is taking, because it's going through Junction, to the left of where we are, way over by the coast, because Junction is up the hill. So I'm not sure what they're going to do, but that's something we seriously have to look at, because you can't isolate Santa Cruz. Now it's going to put Hodges on the map, it's going to put Black River back on the map, it's going to put Junction on the map, and Mandeville, because those areas will have exits. Alright guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.